say the whole world must hear this one oh, for Swaggerlicious native doctor. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're Medale people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, Mercy don't come out again, can't talk about the outcome of him and Swaggerlicious native daughter and his wife for these people wey say that they do fake human rights. So Mercy don't come out now, can't talk wetin happen now when a lawyer show. Not be small thing no. Hey. Make una come hear Tori. This one go shock una wetin Swaggerlicious native daughter and the wife do messing for a court. Mona can't listen, my darling people. Mona just listening to this video now. Bye.
Today, I just want to update what happened. I came back like 5 minutes, and can you see me very well? Because yesterday's live MTN network is very bad. I don't know. So watching the video was like, I don't know, blue, white, ancient kind of something. Yeah, I want to update everybody about what happened. I just came back like 5 minutes. I put the cloth I wore and I'm blowing breath now. What happened is very surprising. I went with my lawyer today. Yeah. So, oh my God, he want to kill me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you see? If you can hear me and see me, you tell me. Oh, this is Nigeria, the heat is much. Can you hear me? Can you see me very well? Or should we wait like 5 minutes for other persons to join as well? Can you see me very well? Or it's still shaking? Okay, you can see me very well. Is it just my voice or you can see me very well? If you can see me very well, let me know. Please, you just say yes. I don't know. Can you hear me very well or see me very well? Which one? Is it just my voice? Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you. So I went with my lawyer today, and thank you so much. Thank you everyone, since you can see me, hear me. Yeah, so I went with my lawyer today. I told you guys from my last interview that Jesus, my kids are coming back. They are crying. Wait, what happened now? Why is she crying? What happened? Why is she crying? Sorry. Who beat her now? Jesus. No. Please don't her now. Why would she be crying now? Sorry. Who beat her? You don't give her sweets. Bring her. Sorry. You don't give her sweets. Come. Please buy sweet for her. Come. What happened? Is her body warm? Eh? Sorry. Who beat you? Tata. Mama, why did you beat her now? Sorry. Oh my God. Sorry, I'm coming back. She shouldn't vomit though. Oh God. Sorry. Jingy, you bring that dress for me. Sorry. You should stop beating this girl now. How can you see a small girl like this? She'll be crying and you will not do anything. Is it good like that? Yeah, I know. Sorry. Mama, see, stop beating my daughter. She push you. She's a baby now. She don't know. It's okay. Sorry. So, you guys, I see her, right? It's okay. Jingy, you sweet. No, you don't beat her like that now. It's not good. Stop, Mama. You are fighting. Stop fighting now. Yeah, so sorry. Oh, sweetie bro. Sorry. Jingy, go and buy sweet for you eat sweet again. Let's have biscuits. Which one? Sorry. So she should go, she should go. I'm on live something. I don't want her face to be here. Someone to go and carry my daughter's face. So sorry for delaying you guys. Let them give me sweet. Mama, don't come. Oh. Don't come. What happened? Jingy. Take this bag. Go. I don't want them. I don't want to carry my children that side. Let them be coming here. Sorry guys. So what I was saying is that I went to to the police station today, not human rights, sorry, because I'm having issues with human rights. That come back. Ngwa. Call the wax slippers to do it. Call my bank. Let's go and buy sweets. Call do Kyobola Yambe for one. Ngwa. Call me do it. You will never do it again. I've been kissing a lot. I mean, bear, Hilo. Ngwa. Pinem won't be. Hey, now who he there? We have one there. Sorry guys, give me a minute. I'm talking. I'm saying something to my children. We are going there. Eh? We are going there. Eh, no. That's what I say now. Mama, if I finish, I'll see you. Yeah, I'm coming. Good girl. So, what I'm saying is that sorry for wasting your time. I went to the police station today, and I was fortunate to go there with my lawyer. We didn't actually go because the appointment was 10 p.m. but we didn't really go on time because personally I'm not too strong. I have malaria. Yeah, so I had to take my injection before going, and when I went to the clinic I had to wait. Yeah, for my turn because the doctor was quite busy. So when we went, something happened. I didn't understand. I told you guys before yesterday that they brought up a story where they were telling me to die of the matter, as if I was the person who reported the issue. And I went there with my lawyer, and immediately the chairman and the president saw my lawyer. They rushed outside. So I don't know why they rushed outside. And when they were outside, one of the women who arrested me that night, let me say that morning, also when they called her, and when she went, where they were standing, I don't know what they discussed. So the woman came back, sat on the chair, and she called me in. And when I went there. Then my lawyer went out to ease himself. Immediately, she started telling me again, because she has already made a hint or something like that before, that at this moment now, that the woman who was actually handling my case with human rights is not on seat. Meanwhile, I saw the woman when I was entering the office, because I don't have to go to her office direct. I used to go to I don't know how they call those names. Okay, thank you. I'm going to speak out. Sorry. Yeah. So what I'm saying, okay, let me start again. What I'm saying is that I was fortunate to go there at the police station with my lawyer. But the thing is that they gave us appointment by 10 a.m. but I was not able to meet up at 10 exactly because I had to go to the clinic to take injection. I have malaria that I'm still treating. I've been down since last week Friday. If you watch my Instagram, I was coughing like a baby, and I'm still coughing. Yes, and so when we went, I was fortunate to go with my lawyer, I saw the president and the husband, that is the chairman, sitting. So immediately I entered with my lawyer. They now quickly rushed out of the door. That is out of the room, the office. Then the woman who arrested me now went where they were standing outside. So when she went there, they now, I don't know what they say to her, but immediately she came back to her office. Immediately she came back to her office and she called me in. When she called me, that was when my lawyer was going to ease himself. So when she called me, I went in and she told me something that the woman in charge of her case, that is the boss, is not around, that she's going for a meeting. So she doesn't have time at this moment, at that period, to see both of us. But then she's going to reschedule it. You cannot hear me again. Can everybody hear me? Can you hear me? Please, can you hear me here? That the woman is not on seat.